Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Icak pendik ki warap ke Lapangap hagi karbi, hawalai akbar dan pentor Lapangap daki tayaaw kat tu dawan ra ye diaw mensen, ya ki pait ba kam tam, hawa de iu kuba. Negas ngi hawa yo ye kelam gi pait ba ka snong Lapangap do ongi wa ini icak pendik ki, dau kta ye ki sebon, de ba bon ki tok ki warap wa ha usnemo wan mtip de ki ke manule. Hawa kali na giman bai ki wambien uklam khmat kamera do ongi wa sakat wan tayaaw ye ki wa akbar chwa tloru, do ongi le wa empor sedu ci tayaaw don he ye ki wa akbar. Kerpat gila ya ke sorkar wa smart ya wa kam knang wo ye ki im de wa dap kamaman hagi snam wa dalai